Hey, welcome back. So today we're just going to continue more of what we've been doing. It's kind of a worksheet, a fun worksheet. How does a Hawaiian baritone laugh? I have no idea, but down here, hopefully, we will decode this and find the answer to this silly little riddle. So what we're doing here is combining like terms. And you do very similar to what we did yesterday. We don't have to do all the colors, although in your notes I want you to on a couple of the problems. And then as you do these on your own, you can just write the answers. Okay, so let's look at this. We're starting here, and I do want to see these bubbles until you start getting the hang of this, right? Those are both variables, right? Variable terms. So I'm going to highlight them in yellow. And I got no other colors. That's it. And since they're both yellow bubbles, they're both variable terms, we combine them. And I'm combining a 9 with a -3, and my answer is 6x. So let's go find our answer down below. We're looking for the 6x in the answer key down, and it says, find your answer and cross out that letter. And when you're finished, you'll have an answer to the puzzle. So where's the 6x? Here it is. Let me see, so you can see this. There, see down on the bottom, this 6x? And so it says, go up here and cross out that letter. That letter is not part of the puzzle. All right? And if you don't find your answer, you know you've made a mistake. All right, so let's go take a look at another one. I'm going to drop down all the way to problem 7. Go into problem 7 down here. Let me zoom in so you get a good view of this. And let's draw our terms. This is kind of an interesting one. It's got all those parentheses, all those negatives. There's one term, and this other term is the whole thing. It covers everything because its terms are separated by addition and subtraction. And so what happens to two negatives in the same bubble? Yep. So a lot of you know this. They get crossed off. They cancel each other. And so this term is a -1x and 10x. And that combined together is going to give us 9x's. And that's what we're looking down for on the bottom on the answer sheet. Let's go find that. Well, I see a -9x. Did we make a mistake? Is there a positive 9x? Or did we get it wrong? I'm scooting over. Oh, there it is. Out towards the end, I see that 9x. And so we go up here, and what do? We cross that letter I out because we found our 9x. Okay, so that one's gone. And so letters will continually cross off until we finally figure out our answer. Notice I didn't highlight this one, and I think unless I have one where I have multiple things, maybe I won't even highlight them. Let's take a look at problem 10. Looks interesting. Go to problem 10. Let's draw our bubbles. And this one for sure we're going to do some colors. I'm going to do a couple more, and then the rest you can do on your own. Why am I doing 2 colors? What are my 2 colors? Y's, and then what is this called? That's the constant, right? Just a number. So that's in blue. These are in yellow. So I'm combining all my y's together. -8, -2, and 4. So -8 and 2. So my negatives are